Tinubu must go for the nation's sake. We are tired of the poverty. We sign now, sing life. It's time to let it show. But divide the country, let the truth be known.
Nigeria, our homeland, we're crying out for change. Leaders fading, promises broken, it's all feeling strange. Poverty's rising, food prices out of sight. People hungry, struggling, we are losing the fight. You came with promises, but all we see is pain. Hardship and hunger is driving us insane. If you can't lead us to a brighter, better way, then step aside, it's time to make a change. Tinubu must go for the nation's sake. We're tired of the hunger, the poverty, the ache. Resign now, save lives, it's time to let it show. Or divide the country, let the truth be known. From north to south, east to west, we stand as one, struggling together under the burning sun. The cost of living is climbing while hope is on the line. We need the leaders strong who lift us, not decline. We've had enough of promises that never seem to land. We're calling for a future that's not built on sand. If you can't take us there, then hear our desperate plea. Instead, don't let us breathe and set our country free. Tinubu must go for the nation's sake. We're tired of the hunger, the poverty, the ache. Resign now, save lives, it's time to let it show. Or divide the country, let the truth be known. Nigeria, oh Nigeria, we deserve a better day. United or divided, but we'll find our way. If you can't deliver, then you must let go. For the sake of our children, let the future grow. Tinubu must go for the nation's sake. We're tired of the hunger, the poverty, the ache. Resign now, save lives, it's time to let it show. Or divide the country, let the truth be known. Nigeria, rise up, it's time for us to be strong. We'll find a way, we'll right the wrongs. For justice and freedom, we raise our voice. Tinubu must go, it's our choice. This song is a call for leadership, accountability, and a better future for Nigeria. It echoes the frustration and hope of a people longing for change. We live to change. This song is a call for leadership, accountability, and a better future for Nigeria. It echoes the frustration and hope of a people longing for change. Nigeria, our homeland, you're crying out for change. Leaders feeling promises broken, it's all feeling strange. Poverty's rising, food prices out of sight. People hungry, struggling, we are losing the fight. Nigeria, rise up, it's time for us to be strong. We'll find a way, we'll right the wrongs. For justice and freedom, we raise our voice. Tinubu must go, it's our choice. This song is a call for leadership, accountability, and a better future for Nigeria. It echoes the frustration and hope for people longing for change.